Alright guys, this is what me and Linda decided to do. We got the old axle with the old back. This is the damaged one. See? We bought the tool from Amazon, which we had to modify. It goes around, clamps onto here. The hole goes through the middle. You tighten the nut and it pulls this piece off, and it has a C-clip in there. So now we took these off of the RockAuto axle and we're putting them on here. The RockAuto axles are something that they're like an inch too short. So they wanted to give me the money back. I told them, because BMW wants $1,200 per axle. So I paid $180, I think. 180 or 160 for 2 axles. So I said, you know what? I'll just take them apart rather than get something from eBay that's used. I bought grease. I'm going to grease those ends up. I bought the tool to put these things back on. I got to make sure that comes all the way up to here. Has to be able to move around like that. So that's fully extended, and that's good. That's where we'll clamp it, right there. It can go all the way in, come all the way out. All right. So we have it all apart over there again. And there's another tool. I bought the strap tool for this, which I'm going to use in a second. All right, I'll be back. All right, there it is. The tool. They sent the wrong bands with the tool. See, there's the crimper, there's the winder, and it was supposed to be these kind of bands, but they sent these. So those I do by hand. All right, but there it is. We're gonna throw them in, and we'll give you the results later on to let you know if they pop back out or not. All right, thanks for watching. All right, so I just wanted to, I didn't make a video of it. So there's the shafts. I just know that RockAuto's axles are not going to work on the BMW X5 X-Drive 50i twin turbo. I had to use my old shaft. I only used their axles as a donor because somebody ruined these. See that? They ruined the tips. So we took the fronts off, and to our surprise, for some reason, I didn't have to use the BMW axle puller. Like, I don't know what happened. I didn't have to use this with the other axle shafts. It was like the shaft was long enough, it pushed it right in. And we put the nut on and we tightened it up, torqued it down. It was crazy. This side too, same thing. I went for a wheel alignment and the guy told me the fronts were worn down. I mean, the fronts were frozen, the tie rods, that he couldn't get them off. I look under there. Somebody made conveniently 2 pinholes in the axle boot. 2 little pinholes, and the grease started coming out. It wasn't like that. I promise you it wasn't like that before I went there. So that guy's like turned into a no good guy now. I only use him for wheel alignments. So now I know when I do go there. But the front tires I took off, they weren't worn bad. He said, and the rears are adjusted all the way out, which the wheel is nice and straight now. Before it was like this a little bit. Now it's like that. So it's probably good now. All right, just want to let you know. Bring my wallet.